Swami is saying we can expect inventory adjustment after a trend or at important reference levels. No, again, see, I am not really sure whether you have taken my courses or not. If at all it's possible for you, I suggest you take them, because inventory adjustment breaks happen after exhaustion. Exhaustion means you come to a reference, a visual reference, and looking at that reference, shorter time frame starts selling. So here lot of shorter time frames are selling because you have a very visual swing highs at this exact reference. So they will sell looking at this, they will think that this resistance will hold and they will sell and they will book profits as soon as it goes lower, or they will buy every pullback and they book profit at this resistance. Now when this kind of exhaustion happens, what happens, if the smart money or discovery time frame is trying to buy, every time the price tries to break out, it gets hit with a lot of supply by shorter time frame traders. Why? Because they are buying all the pullbacks and they are booking profits here. So this supply, either the higher time frames or smart money have to absorb to give a breakout. But if it is in too high quantity, they cannot absorb everything, because I'll tell you, let's say they bought here and now they are absorbing supply here. What will happen to their average price? They bought X quantity here and another X quantity here, their average price will be somewhere in between. So they really don't want to buy much here. So what they do, they see that shorter time frames are creating supply. Every time market goes higher, they are booking profits. So they stop supporting the price when it goes down. They simply stop. They stop absorbing the supply, they stop doing everything. Then what happens? Suddenly, the shorter time frames, they cannot control the markets too much. The market stays at this level because higher time frames are supporting. So as soon as they stop supporting, market starts to fall, and it does not stop. It takes out VWAP, it will take out a few more references, and it will create a sharp fall. That sharp fall creates a lot of panic in the shorter time frame traders. So earlier they were buying every pullback. Now here also they buy the pullback, but market goes lower, their stop loss gets hit. They buy another pullback, again it gets hit. And finally a time comes where they give up on long position and they start selling the pullbacks, and this selling is where the higher time frame will again re-establish their position, and suddenly you will see that this fall vaporizes and you see prices recovering, and this time they don't stop at this reference because there are no shorter time frame traders to book profits. So it gets a clean breakout, and once the breakout happens, these shorter time frames, they will again jump in here to buy, because now they think that it's a breakout and they should be in the markets. So that is how the smarter traders will play on the minds of these retail traders and make them take wrong decisions.